Hey everyone, so we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials. You have already added, you've already subtracted, so let's see how this works. So here I have negative 3x times this whole thing. Remember, parentheses means multiplication. So just like distribution, I have to distribute this thing all over. So I have negative 3 times 4. That's negative 12, and I'll do these each in different colors. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Then I have x times x squared. You guys already know that's going to be x cubed. Because, and I'll show you here on the side, this is negative 3 times x times 4 times x times x. Negative 12, and then you have 3 x's. We'll do this next one. Negative 3x times negative 2x, so I have negative 3 times negative 2, that's positive 6. Then I have x times x, that's x squared. Then we'll do the last one in green. Negative 3x times negative 9, so negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27. And then you have the x. There's our answer. Now this next one, there's a few ways we can do it. You can always use a box to help you out. What do I mean by the box method? So here we have a binomial times a binomial. I'm going to write this first one over here. So my first term is 3x. My next term is 2. So 3x and then 2. On the side here, I'm going to put 9x and negative 7. That's how we want to multiply everything in the boxes. So if we do 9x times 3x, that's 27x squared. 9x times 2. 9 times 2 is 18, so I have 18x. Negative 7 times 3x, that's negative 21 with the x. And then we have the negative 7 times 2, that's negative 14. So now I can add the things that are the same. These are all my terms. I have 27x squared, I have the 18x, I have the minus 21x, and I have the minus 14. 18x minus 21x, that's going to be negative 3x. There you have it. We're going to do the same example now, but a different way. Here I have 3x plus 2 times this whole thing. I can do double distribution. I can do 3x times 9x and then 3x times negative 7x. And then 2 times 9x and 2 times negative 7. So if I do 3x times 9x, that's positive 27x squared. 3x times negative 7, that's negative 21x. 2 times 9x, that's 18x. 2 times negative 7, that's minus 14. We can combine these. That's negative 3x. That's the same answer as you had before. Let's do this example. So here I have 5x minus 8 squared. We know what this means. This means I'm multiplying this twice. I'm going to go ahead and use the box method here. So here I have two terms, here I have two terms. Let me make a box. Put my 5x negative 8, 5x negative 8. Let's fill it all up. 5x times 5x. 5 times 5 is 25. X times x is x squared. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40, and then we have the x. 5x times negative 8, again, negative 40x, and then negative 8 times negative 8, that's 64. So let's put everything we have. If we combine these, we get 80x. There you have it. There's your final answer.